and welcome to our channel. Today we are going to make fried apple pie from McDonald's. I was really sad when McDonald's was closed and I hadn't got a chance to get some. But we're going to make our own. We've got allspice, cinnamon and a nutmeg all in here. Don't mix it up. And we've got brown sugar,
lemonade,
butter, lemon,
we have lemonade,
apple, diced peeled and quarters.
we got lemonade, seed and spicy apple.
It's not spicy apple and it's not lemonade. And we've got puff pastry.
And we got dough.
Puff pastry.
And we got torta. And we got meat.
Heidi.
And we got
cereal.
And we got 2 sugars. And
This is the ingredients.
This one looks like a skirt. We're making shapes today.
Now we're gonna have the apples.
I want to.
And we're going to let it cook for 10 minutes. We're going to check if they're ready. If they're soft, they are ready. Now we're going to fill up our pastries. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Yummy but hot. And then after you've done this, you fry and it's done. Now, this is what you do after. Heidi, you can make one. Then you fold and get a fork and seal. Seal. Hey.
I'm making a new kind of puff pastries. We sometimes make new kind of puff pastries. I did a funny way.
Oh, that's a nice way.
What does this look like now? Does this look like a fin?
I don't know what it looks like.
It looks like a fin.
Brown, so that means it's ready. Now we're going to put it on a plate. You've got to put it on a paper towel so it soaks up the excess. Now we are going to taste. And this is how it looks on the inside.